Look, I am going to explain what you have to do for hospitality. So for hospitality, you have to go into Google Classroom. Now you will have, you go on hospitality and you click C5 part 1. Now you have 3 documents here. So the first thing you're going to do is read the presentation. And the presentation is here. And you're going to read through it. Now, once you've read through it, you're going to write the answers in the text boxes. So let's see. So this is the homework task. So after reading the presentation, you're going to work out this worksheet. Write the answers in the text boxes. When ready, save it with your name and send it via email. So you're going to download this and you're going to write in these text boxes and you're going to say, you're going to find the job that you need, for example, duty manager, and you're going to write the things that are in this box. Now, you can either copy it word for word or you can write a shorter version of it and write it in your own words. It's up to you. So basically, that's what you have to do. You have to fill in the boxes with information that's found in the PowerPoint. That's it. If you need any help, just email me, okay?